Then check this out. Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and Chat GPT, potentially. We don't know yet. So guys, the reason we promote the $25 business is essentially because it's affiliate program. This affiliate program is fantastic. 80%, guys. 80% recurring as well. It doesn't go down at any time. So in any product that you buy once, it's 80% as well. Just everything in it is 80%, which is just fantastic. All right, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, we're gonna look and see if we did get a sale yesterday. It looks like we did get a sale, 20 bucks here. Now we're gonna refresh the page just to make sure. Looks like it's starting to. I'm starting to get sales coming in again. All right, yes, it looks like we did get a sale, guys. Fantastic,
Nice.
fantastic. All right, so it took a little longer to load than you, but anyway, guys, bump that. Now, what we're gonna do is get you your links. You guys are interested in this. We're gonna get you your links real quick. So this is the link that I use in particular. I know you guys know I've been trying other links lately. This is the one that got me the sale as well. This link here is the sale, where the sale came from. So we're gonna promote this link again. All right, guys, and this is what we're gonna do. We gotta get you your links first. So what you want to do is go to my description in this video here. You're gonna see step 1, step 2, right? Step 1 should have something like incomespeech.com. Now that's gonna be the link to this right here, and it's gonna take you to this page here. And what this page is basically talking about the $25 business, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? What it is, whatever, right? Essentially, if you guys are interested in the product itself, it's a funnel builder for about $25 a month, which is actually fantastic. You get 20 of it if you promote it, which is really good. All right, guys. You also got another product in it called HBA Premium. That's $100 monthly commission, guys. So you can get $120 off of each person that's in this system every month. Fantastic. Also, a third product that is $500 if you get it within the first 3 days, and it goes up to $1,000, and you get 80% of that as well. So those 3 different ways you can get paid with this product by promoting this affiliate program, which is absolutely fantastic, guys. All right, so this is what we're gonna do here. We're gonna click on yes, I want in. So we're gonna try this out, right? You want to try this out. You put in your basic information, blah blah blah, hit complete or to gain access, right? Now one thing I want to stress real quick before you do that, I want you to click on this, get the 14-day free trial, all right, of HBA Premium. That's what you get. You click on my link. All right, guys, get that for free here. Now what this is this is going to teach you how to promote the product on any social media or whatever method you want to use to promote it. It's a ton of options in the system. Got Facebook ad, Facebook groups, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, right? A bunch of ways to promote the product. I also have an AI content creation machine. But the greatest part about this is that if you get a sale with this particular product, HBA Premium, if you get a sale, even though you don't own the product, you can still get your $100 monthly commission, guys. So this is just the way to go. All right, guys, fantastic deal. All right, so now the next thing I say do, now you need a way to promote the product. And that's what I'm finna show you real quick. We're gonna show you the easiest way to promote this product that's gotten me a bunch of sales. You've seen it, and we just kind of sticking to this because mostly it's an experiment, but I'm showing you also that it's working for me. All right, I want to make sure you guys understand that, 'cause I understand how important it is to show that it's working for me. Cause that's how I felt when I look at videos. I want to know if it's actually working. I don't want you to just tell me how to do it. I want to know if it's actually working. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So you want to go to my second link there. That's the way to promote the product. It takes you to My Lead Gen Secrets here. And My Lead Gen Secrets, you get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day. That's what it's all about, right? So we're gonna just log into this, and we're gonna go to the mailing, and we're gonna click on this. we're gonna promote the same product that got us to sell. So that's what we're gonna do there. So we're gonna look for filling my money up. What's the full weekend of money keep coming? Oh, let me check. Full weekend of money. All right, that's the next email. All right, so we just gonna load this up. We'll keep it. I'll delete. That's the email there. This is emails that I wrote. Not using the ChatGPT one today. Just gonna delete that right there. I don't want my face on it no more. I think that kind of prevent people from buying it sometimes. I don't know. I'm just testing stuff on this account. Like I said, I just want to see. So that's our email there. What we're gonna use for this system here. I'm gonna click on perfect timing. It's gonna send an email around the time that people check email. We're gonna hit preview. And main reason we hit in preview, to make sure the link works. Make sure the link goes through. All right, it does go through. All right, the second reason is so you guys can copy this email if you want to. Give you a chance to copy it. Pause the video, copy that, and pause the video, copy that. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. We send an email and we are done, guys. You see how fast and quick and easy that is to do? It's very simple and very easy. Now, this is the easiest way to promote this product, but if you want to put a little bit more work into it, I say go with shorts. Shorts is a very good way to promote products, particularly on Facebook, Instagram, not Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Those three particularly. Those are the ones that are easiest to blow up on, get trendy, get a trend. You know what I mean? Viral, go viral. Those are the easiest ones. And once you go viral, you don't have to look back when it comes to money. All right, so guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.